Hello there. You remember that squeaking that I thought was the windshield wiper blades? It was not the wiper blades. See the mechanism that moves the blades underneath the windshield here? I was spraying lubricant. Everything that was got a hinge or pivoting or whatever, I was spraying everything in there. Then finally, see if you can see it, the part that's right behind there, right back there, as soon as I touched that with some lubricant, the squeaking stopped. Oh goodness, I about tore apart the whole front under the windshield here just to get to it. It was hideous, and it sounded just like the windshield wipers were squeaking, when actually it was just the mechanism under there that was doing all the squeaking. You have to remove, several screws along there. I still couldn't get up the center part of it for some reason, even though I pulled every screw I could find. So I just propped it up and got underneath there and started spraying. And the squeaking is gone. Whew, goodness.